Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can install Cinema HD on your Firestick. So first off, on Firestick Home, click the magnifying glass icon, scroll down and then open search. Next, enter Downloader in the search and select it from the suggested search result. Next, open Downloader and click Get Download to install it on your Firestick. So it'll look like something like this. Now click the gear icon at the far right of your Firestick home screen, then open My Fire TV. Next, browse the developer options. You will see one of the following two options depending on your Firestick device version. Install unknown apps or apps from unknown sources. You pick either of those. Now you'll have to sideload the Cinema HD APK on Firestick, which means you'll have to put the APK to your Firestick with a USB or other methods. So first off, you'll have to open the Downloader app. Please navigate to the input field on the right and click it, so like this. And then enter firesticktricks.com/cinema and then click go. So like it'll look like this. You can click go. And then it'll say the downloader connecting to the server and it'll download. Look, it'll look like this. And then the installation will initiate on its own. And then when you get to this screen, you can just click install here. And then it'll be installing. And then you're done. And then you can also delete the APK that it was downloading earlier because it's already been installed. And that's all you need to do.